Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A couple of videos ago, I did a review on the Yeswelder MiG-205DS. Now, after that video, Yeswelder reached out to me and said, hey, how would you like to try out a plasma cutter? And I said, absolutely. So, they sent out this Cut-65DS that they make. So today, we're going to open it up, see what's inside, and use it. So, I don't have a plasma cutter. I've never used a plasma cutter, so this is bound to be pretty interesting. I've never opened this box before, as you saw by me cutting it, so this is going to be a surprise for me too. So what's in here? Looks like some sort of valve. Oh yeah, some sort of pressure regulator. Looks like. Ah, another one of these. 110 to 220. Love it. Not everyone has 220. Ground cable. Plasma cutting torch. Something I'll need. Something I don't know. And the machine itself. I love how light these new style welders are. Welders and cutters, obviously, both. There it is, Cut-65DS. Once again in this fantastic teal color. I love it. So, let me inspect these instructions real quick. Set it up. Alright guys, so this thing sets up pretty nicely. It comes with a nice manual that tells you what most of these lights are, because there's a lot of lights here, a lot of options. So like, for example, these 4 lights under the 15 you see here are your adjustments for your pilot arc time, your current lead, and your post flow. So I mean, that's good to know, because otherwise they're just pictures, you wouldn't know. It's got the same 2T, 4T that the welder has, and this little gas checker, so you can check the gas is flowing. I just connected the air, so it's not going to do it, but that's for that. So it's really nice, sets up really easy. All this stuff goes together as easily as it could. You can't really mess it up. Same with the air fitting on the back. Real simple stuff, really nice. Now back here, take the pressure gauge screwed into this unit here. This unit screws in here with the supplied bracket. They give you quite a bit of extra hose. I cut mine down and it just press fits right in. And then you put a fitting here for your air. Now it's time to get cutting. Alright guys, so I don't know what I'm doing, so let's try. Well, it broke. Start. Alright guys, so I've got it set up now. Did a little testing to see where I want to be. So this one here is the amperage. I got it all the way up. Post flow. That is pilot arc time. Oh, that's the pilot arc time. And that is the current lead. So those are just some numbers we picked out of a hat. I figure the most current you can get to cut with is what you want. So we got some 1/8 inch here. Just a little quick thing. And we're gonna try and cut it. Yes sir, that cut it. Now obviously I didn't get all the way on the end, but it did cut. Let's try going right off the end. Look at that, we got two pieces here. Thing's pretty nifty. Grind a little flashing off, you'll be golden. And I bet you the flashing can be adjusted with a setting somehow. I bet you that's just a setting that I'm not playing with because it's the first time using the thing. Like, I bet you there's a troubleshooting section in this manual here that they give you. Yeah, it could be cutting speed too low, cutting current is too high. So if we tone this down a bit maybe, to like 30, what happens? Okay. Yep. Toned down a bit, definitely, for sure. I like that. This thing is pretty nifty. It's going to be real nice to use on the frame of the bus. That is 12 gauge steel. So now let's try something a little ridiculous. Over here, cut a nice piece of 20 gauge. Now I don't think a normal person would cut 20 gauge with a machine like this, but I will because I'm not normal. Let's see what I can do. Yeah, a little ridiculous. Alright guys, we're at the end of the video, which means I get to tell you what I think about this little plasma cutter. I like it. I couldn't not like a plasma cutter. I've never had one, so any plasma cutter would be really cool to me. But I like this machine in particular for a few reasons. First off, reason that doesn't affect the machine at all, the color. It's awesome. It matches the welder. It's also very retro. I like it a lot. Things that do affect the machine though. The settings here, very, very enjoyable. I like this new deal where there's one knob and various buttons that do things. I like that. I like that the instruction manual tells you what those various pictures are, because there's a lot of pictures on here that do different things. I like that. Came with everything I needed. Had the air separator, had the pressure gauge, had the hose, had all the fittings for that except for the one that plugs into your airline, which is understandable because there's different air fittings. Everyone has different air fittings in their shop. You might have automotive type or different type, but, you know, it's different, so they can't provide them all. Makes sense. It cut really well. This was one piece of steel, not 15 minutes ago. So that's going to be fantastic because on the bus, we have a frame to replace. And this is a lot quicker, a lot nicer than using the angle grinder on 12 gauge steel, especially when it doesn't matter what it looks like. Probably also going to use it on the rag top, heater channels, floor pans, etc. Super easy, super quick. You do have to be careful with it though, but you know. Overall, I really, really enjoy this machine just like the welder, and I'm not just saying that, I actually do enjoy the machine. Now if you'd like to get this machine, or another Yeswelder machine, there will be a link in the description specifically to this one, and I do believe there's a discount code that I will throw down there. So if you're looking for a machine, you're on the edge of if you should get one or not, discount code might make you make the decision. So check that out if you are interested in purchasing a plasma cutter, a welder, or any of their accessories. If you need something for your Yeswelder, they probably have it too. But overall, I'm very pleased with this machine, very happy to have it, and now we can start using a plasma cutter on things, which is awesome. So thank you very much to the guys at Yeswelder for sending this out for me to mess around with, and thank you for watching the video. Until next time though guys, take care and I will see you in the next one.